Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about making money online, and it's actually about the ways that you can make money online. There's two ways that you can make money online. One is what they call linear income, and that is to do a job and to get paid for it. You do a job, you get paid for it. You go to work, you put in an hour's worth of work, you get an hour's worth of pay. I don't want to knock linear income, but if you are working a regular job that is linear income and you switch to a home-based job that is linear income, unfortunately that's all you've done. Not that working at home certainly has its advantages. I do want to share something else with you about income that really makes working from home so fantastic. Now, the type of income that I'm talking about is the kind of income that you can make from affiliate marketing, for example, or from YouTube, is the kind of income that can grow and grow and grow. The problem is that it doesn't necessarily start paying right away. So a lot of people don't want to wait for a month or 2 or 6 months, or in my case, well, I guess I made a little bit of money the first year, but not much to brag about. Maybe a few $100s, but very, very little the very first year. On the other hand, the education that I got was priceless. So if you're interested in building a YouTube channel, or if you're interested in making money online as an affiliate, there's a couple of important things that you need to know there that are very, very positive as far as income. And one of the things is called duplication. In other words, you can make a video, put it on YouTube today, and then you can make another one tomorrow, and another one the next day, and another one the day after, or 1 or 2 a week, or whatever is good for you. But you can duplicate the process, and then that one video has the potential of what's called residual income. Same thing with a website. It has the potential of making you money today, tomorrow, the next day, and so on. You can make one video, but it can make you money on and on and on. And the next video can make you money on and on and on. The problem that you run into in both internet marketing and on YouTube is that you don't see this cumulative effect right away. In fact, I would say you need to get to at least 100 videos before YouTube kind of recognizes you. And on the other hand, by the time you get to 100 videos, you actually have a clue as to what you're doing. When you still got a long ways to go, I've still got a long ways to go. What that means is that you can, if you're willing to invest your time and get an unbelievable education, because that's what's going to happen if you decide to do a YouTube channel, or if you decide to build a business online, or if you decide to do both. So if you decide to do either of those or both of those, these are things that have unbelievable potential. What I mean, an unbelievable potential. On the other hand, I do want to share this with you. It took me 3.5 years to build my first website that actually exploded, you might say. That was after 2 years of experience. I didn't tackle my first big website, which went way, way over 1 million members, which didn't happen right away. It took 3.5 years. It took 42 months. After 2 years, it took 42 more months for me to see explosive results on the internet. Maybe most people may not be as thick-headed as I was. I knew that this worked. I knew that it worked, but doggone it, I couldn't make it work. Well, I just kept plugging. It's the same thing with YouTube. I know that it works. I'm working on it. I will share one thing with you. My presentation, maybe it's okay, maybe it's not, but my content, I do my best to give you the best possible content, and I feel as though if you'll do that, focus on the best possible content, I don't believe that you can lose. There's no way that you cannot succeed. I can't guarantee success, but I don't believe you can not succeed unless you flat quit. Don't quit. You must succeed. It's pretty much that simple. If you like this video, I hope you do. Give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now, and don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button and hit that bell. Ring that bell, and that way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.